Hello guys, hope you're doing well. And as you can see that gold is under immense pressure. Okay, we have a free fall going on gold right now. The good news is finally gold is out of the range here because gold was trading in a range and the number of trading opportunities were limited. And when market tests a range couple of times, it also becomes dangerous for us to trade because there is always a possibility of liquidity grab or SL hunting. But here we saw that gold broke the support here and right now heading towards the crucial level of 4500. As we all know, 4500 plays a very important role here because if market breaks 4500 somehow, then gold will be heading towards 4100 or 4000. Anyways, if you have any ongoing sell right now, you can hold your sell position because we can clearly see that market is under selling pressure or sellers are dominating here. If you're a part of our WhatsApp group or free telecom community, hope you're in good profit right now because in the morning, okay, I mentioned or I suggested that you can go for a sell if market breaks this level of 4600. So if you're on a sell, okay, well and good, okay, enjoy the profit. If you're still not a part of our WhatsApp community, you can join by opening an account under our referral, or you can join the free WhatsApp Telegram community as well. Okay, anyways, what should be a trading strategy now? Because if you're looking for fresh entry in the market or new positions, then yes, okay, you need to plan your trades carefully. Why? Because the gold is going down sharply here. Okay, so where is the next support? The next support on the chart of gold is around 4550. Okay, around 50 we have the support, but as you can clearly see, the selling pressure is very high, so there is a high chance that okay, market will break the support here. As a day trader, if we see market taking support or market is showing prices action from below, okay, then we can look for a buy position temporarily. Yes, temporarily we can go for a buy position. Okay, or you can expect a one candle bounce, means after bouncing, okay, market may go down again because of the support present here. Okay, and as I always said, if you have any ongoing sell, you can hold your sell position. And during the day, okay, after one time bounce, if you see market breaking 4550, you can go for a sell below 4550 as well, because if market goes for a temporary bounce, there will be a temporary consolidation. So after the consolidation, when market will break 4550, we can enter again. And if you are in a sell right now, you can hold your sell, as I already said. And one more thing, my dear friends, you need to keep in mind that today is what? Today is Friday, so market may behave crazily during the US session. Okay, so please be careful. If you see the market is uh, going with the flow, or there's a trend in the market, try to follow the trend. If you fail to find any logic, then please do not trade during the US session because Fridays are dangerous, so do not fry your account. Okay, and lastly, if market tries to recover the same level 4600 or around 4600, 4605, we can expect it to act as the new resistance because the previous support will become the new resistance. So if market, okay, during the day, if market tries to recover, we can expect this level to act as resistance. So if you see market is acting as resistance, market is showing price rejection from above, we can look for a sell as well. Is this a very strong resistance? The answer is no. Okay, the strong resistance for the day is around 4640, 4650. Why? The blue box that was acting as resistance support till yesterday, okay, it will be converted into new resistance. Okay, 4600, we are considering it because okay, it's a round number, but it is not a major resistance for the day. Major resistance is 4640, 4650. But if market goes up, if you see that the buying power is not much, then we can look for a sell on a 4600, 4605. Now the next important level is this one, 4550. Keep in mind, selling pressure is high, so if market takes support also, okay, we can expect a single candle or one or two candles only. So do not be hopeful that there will be a complete trend reversal here. Okay, chances are less. And nothing much to discuss here. Okay, let's wait and watch. The weekly closing is going to be very, very important. Okay, so plan your trades accordingly and follow proper risk management. See you tomorrow. Bye bye, take care.